Oh dear, this car is very muddy. It looks sad and needs our help. Come inside, little car. We will clean you. Press the blue button for lifting the car. Up we go, nice and slow. The car is going up. First comes soft white foam. The foam helps the mud loosen. The sponge scrubs the car gently. The mud starts to slide away. Clean water washes the car. The car is getting clean. Press the red button for revealing the car. Wow, a red car! The red car is clean and happy. Bye-bye, see you again. This bus is very muddy. Mud makes things dirty and sad. Come in, dear, we will clean you. Press the blue button for lifting the bus. Lifting means going up. White foam covers the mud first. Foam helps loosen the dirt. The sponge scrubs the bus gently. Scrubbing removes the mud. Clean water washes everything. Washing makes things clean. Press the red button for bus reveal. This is a yellow bus. The yellow bus is now clean and happy. Bye-bye, see you again. Look! The car is very muddy. The heavy mud makes it feel slow and sad. Come in, dear. This place helps vehicles feel fresh again. Press the blue button for lifting the car. The car goes up. Soft white foam spreads all around. The foam gently holds the mud. The sponge moves in smooth lines. The mud slides away quietly. Clear water flows down softly. Everything is washing clean. Press the red button for revealing the car. This is a black police car. The black police car is clean and ready. The car drives away calmly. This vehicle is very muddy from the road. The thick mud makes it feel heavy and sad. Come in, dear, this place helps big vehicles get clean. Press the blue button for lifting the truck. The truck goes up. Soft white foam spreads everywhere. The foam holds the mud gently. The sponge moves in wide strokes. The mud slides away little by little. Clear water flows all around. Everything is washing clean. Press the red button for revealing the truck. This is a blue truck. The blue truck is clean and ready. It drives away smoothly.